Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Stories. Today we're going to practice English with something fun, talking about TV shows and movies. We'll listen to a conversation between two friends, Anna and Mark. They are meeting in a cafe, drinking coffee, and of course, talking about their favorite series, Friends, Harry Potter, and Stranger Things. Listen carefully, repeat after them, and remember, every story is an English lesson. Let's begin.
Hey Mark, long time no see. How have you been?
Hey Anna, I've been good, just busy with work. What about you?
Same here. But you know what? Yesterday I watched some episodes of Friends again. That show never gets old.
Really? Which episode?
The one where Ross says, "We were on a break." Haha, I couldn't stop laughing.
Oh, that's a classic. I love Chandler's jokes. He always has some sarcastic comment.
And Joey. He's so simple but so funny. I love when he says, "How you doing?"
Haha, yes, that's iconic. Every time I hear that line, I remember Joey's face.
You know, I think Friends is one of the best shows to practice English. The language is everyday English, and the conversations are so natural.
I totally agree. Plus, each episode is short, like 20 minutes, so it's perfect for learning.
By the way, do you like Harry Potter?
Of course. I grew up with those movies. I watched all of them at least twice.
Me too. I think the first movie, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, is so magical. Feels like entering another world.
Yes, that's true. But my favorite is The Prisoner of Azkaban. It's darker, and the story with Sirius Black is really interesting.
See, for me it's the Goblet of Fire. That Triwizard tournament was amazing. Dragons, mermaids, and the maze. Everything was so exciting.
Oh yes, and that's also when we see Voldemort return. That scene was intense.
Exactly. And you know what? I also love the music of the movies. The soundtrack is unforgettable.
True. Just hearing the main theme makes me feel like a kid again. Speaking of magic and strange worlds, have you seen Stranger Things?
Yes. I love that show. Season 4 was incredible.
Same here. I really like 11. She is strong but also very human, very emotional.
I agree. I also love the friendship between the kids. They are always together, helping each other.
And the monsters. The Demogorgon, the Mind Flayer, and now Vecna, so scary.
But so cool at the same time. And let's not forget the music. Running Up That Hill became super famous again because of Stranger Things.
Yes. Every time I hear that song, I think of Max running in that scene. One of the best moments ever.
Totally. And I like the 80s vibe too. The clothes, the bikes, the old technology. It's like a time machine.
Yeah, it makes me feel nostalgic, even though I wasn't alive in the 80s, haha.
So Mark, what do you think makes a series or a movie really good?
For me, it's the characters. If the characters are interesting, I can watch anything.
Feel the same. For example, in Friends, it's not just about the jokes, but about feeling close to the characters.
Exactly. And in Stranger Things, it's not only about monsters. It's about family, friendship, and growing up.
But, and in Harry Potter, it's not only about magic. It's about courage, loyalty, and love.
Well said. That's why these stories are so popular. People connect with them.
Anyway, it's always fun to talk about movies and series with you.
Same here. You always have good recommendations.
Speaking of that, have you watched Wednesday yet?
I just started it last week. Jenna Ortega is amazing as Wednesday Addams.
Yes, she's perfect for the role. Let's talk about it next time we meet.
Deal. Next coffee, next show.
And that's the end of today's story. Let's review some useful expressions you can use when talking about shows and movies. That show never gets old. It's always good, even after many years. Which one is your favorite? To ask someone's opinion. By the way, to change the topic naturally. That scene was intense. To describe a powerful moment in a movie or series. Let's talk about it next time. To continue the conversation in the future. Now, try to use these expressions when you talk about your favorite shows and movies in English. And remember, every story is an English lesson. See you next time.